And I'm going to say this. It doesn't matter what path you follow. People follow all kind of different paths, right? There's people that I associate with that don't mess with the Kabbalah at all. There's a lot of people who I associate with that don't mess with Goetia at all. But I'm not going to say what they do is wrong or incorrect, right? Here's the thing, or even the clip off, right? There's a whole system of working with the clip off. But the thing is, it doesn't matter which path you take. What matters is you taking the path seriously, because the path is already mapped out. But how are you going to take it? Are you going to walk it with seriousness? Right? Are you going to actually follow what's put in front of you? Are you going to discipline yourself to take it seriously? And in that process of discipline, you start to better yourself. You start to grow yourself. You start to evolve, right? Because hopefully you've done some shadow work by now before reaching this stage. Because what aspects of your personality that haven't been balanced before this, they're definitely going to come up at this stage. They're definitely going to come up at this stage. So look, don't skip anything. You can't skip anything. It's going to come up. It's going to come up. Even if you try to go straight into the clip off, you're going to deal with the same shit that everyone else has to deal with. You're going to have to deal with the shadow work. You're going to have to deal with the ego. You're going to have to deal with attachment. You're going to have to deal with all of it. You're going to have to. Because what you'll find is that as you take up a specific path and you advance on that path, you're going to find that it looks extremely similar to other paths. And the higher up you go, you're going to start to see that all these paths are the same path. You just entered in through a different door. You just entered at a different angle. But the higher that you go, you're going to see that there is pretty much only one path. And that even goes for Christianity, Catholicism, Islam, right? All these things really cross over. Now, the exoteric for the mainstream, it looks different. But in the esoteric aspect of Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, shamanism, all these different branches, on the esoteric aspect, you're going to see that they are the same paths. That's why the symbols keep appearing across the board. So it doesn't really matter what system you choose. What matters is, does it relate to you on a deep level, and are you going to take it seriously?